In today's tutorial, we will explore Streamlabs OBS.
Hello, my name is Amjad Ali and I'm an enterprise IT enthusiast, a business intelligence and digital transformation expert. I created SyncBricks to make information technology simple for everyone. Subscribe to my channel for the latest tips, tricks, and recommendations related to enterprise IT, general IT, home lab, gadgets, and more. If you find my content helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with others. Let us begin the video.
Streamlabs is all-in-one live streaming software. The platform is similar to OBS Studio. It has a variety of features and integrations with many other platforms. It connects you to various streaming platforms like Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and any other platform, or even your custom platform as well. You can also do the screen recording and you can record that inside your computer, or you can use this as a virtual camera. So let me show you how we can download, install, configure, and then do the live streaming and use this as a virtual camera. It is an improved version of OBS Studio, I must say. I'll just go here and download Streamlabs. Okay, now the software is downloaded, so I'll open the software here, agree to it, and I'll install this in my... Okay, now the Streamlabs has been successfully installed. I'll just run Streamlabs now. Okay, the Streamlabs software is loading right now. It is on my another screen, so I'll just move it here. And it says me to select the platform to connect. Right now, I'm not going for the streaming. I'll just take you through the interface. I'll skip from here. We can import our settings from OBS Studio if we have been using it. Let me show you. For example, this is my OBS Studio from where I'm recording right now. Various scene collections are there, and within each scene there are various sources, but I'll not be using that. I will simply start a fresh installation. Now it says me that which camera do you have right now. So I'm already having a camera which is connected with my OBS Studio. So I'll be choosing another camera for this purpose. So there is this is HD webcam. I'll be using this one. So I'll continue with this. So it asks me to choose the theme. I'll not be using any of the theme right now. I'll be simply skipping this. As you can see, it has got mini feed, scenes, sources, which is similar to OBS Studio. Interface looks different, but setup is similar to OBS Studio. I'll create a new scene here, test scene suppose. So two scenes are available here. In first scene, I will add a source here. Video capture device I'll be adding here. Built-in camera, Logitech camera, capture cards. So whatever is here, we can use it. Add source, we'll name it webcam, add source. So now I'll choose from here which camera I want to use. I'll use my Insta360 this one. This is the camera that I want to use. Pressing Alt, I can crop here. Okay, I'll just add a display capture here. Display capture. I'll click add source and I'll say it my left monitor. And here is the monitor which it has automatically chosen. So right now I have two display captures. So I'll be choosing first primary monitor here. So here is primary monitor. The source is on the top and camera is down. So I will just move the camera on the top. Okay, now here in the camera, definitely I need to change the settings to add the chroma key. Clicking right here, I'll add filters. Adding the filters, I'll add here chroma key. So here is chroma key. Now as you can see, background has been removed and there is still some grains are there that I can adjust. So click on webcam filters. So one filter is there. I can change the similarity. And again, if you want to further crop it, you can crop it as well. Let us explore the other features. For example, if you are streaming it live on YouTube and there are feedback or there are people who are sending the comments or messages, so you don't need to open the YouTube platform. You can directly see the feeds from here. So you can change the layout by simply clicking here. Now, for example, if you want to have like this, so it will show the edited display is here, mini feed is here, audio scene and mixer is here. So if I click on save changes, now you can see that mini feed has come here and scene, sources and mixer is here. So similarly, for example, if you are doing some audio mixing and audio mixing is crucial for you, so you will keep this particular area prominent, and maybe your video is not that important, so you will keep that on one side. So similarly, I have other layouts also. So suppose if I want to use this, as you can see, mini feed is here, audio mixer is here, scenes and sources are here. So if I go with this, for example, as I mentioned that audio mixing is important for you, at the same time you want to check that what kind of inputs, what kind of feeds you are getting live. I'll be going with this one, and I can do one more thing. I can change from here also. So drag and drop this. Suppose I don't want this, so I will remove this from here. So now I have only these 3 options here, and this one I can change the settings, so it looks exactly similar to OBS Studio screen. Now if I want to go to studio mode, so I can simply click here and it will take me to studio mode. So this will be edit mode and this is live mode, and then you can do the transitions. Suppose this is a test, and from test to other scene you can simply do the transition. So this is how it works. So I'll again go back to my normal view, and then I can choose the scene which I want to have. So test scene, if I go back here, I can add other options here. VLC source is there, image source is there. Suppose I want to change the choose the image source. I'll add the source. Suppose this is a background image, so I'll be choosing this particular background, suppose, and readjust the size of this. Here it is, and now I'll be adding again the camera again into this. So I had a video capture device, my video capture device, and I'll add the source. Existing source is already here, so I'll add this source again back here. So if I do the adjustment again here, Alt and crop it. So this is the way I have added the source here. Good thing is that I can see the pixel size directly here instead of going into settings. So here we go, and then we will add another source here, which will be text. So text is here, add source, name, suppose. So here I'll be adding the text. Okay, Streamlabs OBS, and I'll choose this normal case the way we were doing it. So this is called Streamlabs. This is the first scene and second scene. So test scene, I will use it, for example, main scene. And this is the display capture. Add a new source instead. I will add another source. It will be so talking about the settings, the first tab is general. In general, it stores all the temporary file into a cache directory, and that cache directory, if we click here, so we will be able to see that cache directory. And in case we want to clean this directory, so we can see it, we can clean and you can restart. In case developers need to know if there is anything wrong, so they will be able to check that. Then is stream. So there are stream types. One is the custom stream. You can choose if you have any custom stream server. Otherwise you can choose the streaming platforms, for example YouTube, Facebook, Twitch or Twitter, or whatever streaming platforms you choose. For example, if I choose YouTube, it will then ask me that what type of YouTube service you are using, primary YouTube ingest server, and then I'll choose the stream key here. Right now I'm not looking to stream this online, that's why I'm not looking for I'm not going for these options. Okay, now let me take you to the output. So if I click on output, so output means that video output, what will be your stream output, or what will be the encoding of your video, depending upon your internet bandwidth. So you can choose the bitrate accordingly, audio or video bitrate. Recording, so it will show me the path where you want to do the recording of your video, so I will choose this default path. Then is the audio. If you see that Mixer has added the 2 audios by default. One is the desktop audio that I might mute sometimes when I'm not recording. I can keep it default, or I can choose none, disabled. So then I'll enable by myself. So otherwise, if you are okay with this, we can keep it like this. Video, if you change the base 1920 by 1080, so accordingly you can choose the output as well. So depending upon your requirements, you can accordingly choose. I'll be definitely going for the 1080p recording. The canvas has changed now, so I will change the canvas size also again here by unlocking this. So now my canvas size is also 1080p and my output is also 1080p. If you go back again and see the video, so 1920 by 1080p. So this is my 1080p is my canvas resolution, and this is my scaled resolution. Okay, hotkeys. If you want to add any hotkeys, any shortcut, for example, if I want to use recording, so I want to use Alt, Control and R, it will start recording. So I need to make sure that Alt, Control, R is not for anything. Okay, it is for start recording. I have already chosen, and if I press this, you see it has started going live. I think this was for live. Let me see what is the hotkeys. Start streaming. So I will use this. I will delete this from here, and for start recording I will choose Control Alt R and Control Alt S. So this will be for start recording and stop recording. So the moment you press the keys, so it will automatically update this. Now if I press this start Control Alt and R, so it has started recording now. And if I start Control Alt and S, so it will stop recording. So this is the way you will choose the shortcut keys here. Now we'll go into advanced. So I'll keep all these defaults, and if in case I'm not okay with this, so I'll be switching it around. Then audio monitoring device. For example, if I have headphones, so I want to add on live, I want to monitor the audio. So right now I can hear my own audio. Here are recording format. So how you want to use the recording format. So date, time and the type of recording. If you have multiple networks available on your computer and you want to do the streaming on one network and you use the other network for downloading, suppose, so you can choose this particular network. Now for example, if I have multiple network cards, so which particular card I want to do the binding of this network so that my streaming will be directly played from that particular network. So it all depends upon your settings which are available. Then is the scene collection. So you can export the scene collections to some other if you want to do the streaming from other system, or you want to configure it at one system and you want to go back again and do the streamings from some other system, so you can do that as well. Appearance. So theme is night or day, depending upon your choice it will change the color theme. So I usually like the night color because it is comfortable for the eyes. So remote control means if you want to use the smartphone for controlling this, so you can do that as well. And now finally, most important part is virtual camera. So we have been using virtual camera in OBS Studio. Similarly, we can use the virtual camera here. So the moment we start this as a virtual camera, the good thing is that you can use your screen, this particular screen, as a webcam for your online meetings. So this particular feature is very useful, especially when you want to give professional touch to your webcam. So you can have the screen like this, which will be definitely appearing as a webcam. Then is the game overlay. Because I'm not using any games, so I will not be going for any game overlay. Suppose logging into my YouTube channel. So right now again, if I go back here, it is logged in. So of course there are advanced features, but I'll not be using those advanced features for me. So I'll be using Streamlabs OBS.
If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and remember to leave any question or feedback in the comment section below. For more insights, watch this related video. Before you go, please subscribe to the channel and avoid missing any latest video. Take care and goodbye.